go follow Lightning McQuendle on Insta. Right there.
It's a swimmer party at Izzy's grandma's lake house. That's Michaela. That's Izzy. That looks really good.
No, but this part is bugging me. It's fine.
It doesn't matter. We're gonna get a lake anyway.
True, true.
A lot of hair.
If it gets nice out, like nicer,
Yeah, we can take the boat.
We can take the boat.
Yes.
I want to go tubing.
I don't know if they're blown up.
Yeah.
Even if we just go on the boat and like jump off and.
There's a good spot for jumping
I
off.
wish I had my GoPro, but that's okay. We can come here during the summer, right? Will she let us?
She loves when my friends come over. She asks me like every time I come over, do you want to have a party with your friends?
That's my mom. Like, I invited my friends over for her birthday because she loves my friends so much.
I need to meet your mom.
That's my mom.
Christine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Christine and Keith.
I love the sound of
Making some peanut butter and jelly. Izzy's eating some crackers. We just made TikTok.
What are they?
That's pretty cool.
You can see it. We'll put it back in the vlog.
Yeah, we'll show it.
Okay, like crisscross applesauce, so baby caress me. I've been doing.
It's pretty cool.
The vlog.
Oh. I was like, what? What is happening? We're gonna head out to the lake. You know, we got our Pura Vida.
I don't
Yes,
have any on
where's
my
mine?
wrist. I have it
There's
on my ankle.
Yeah, and we're
Izzy's.
gonna go do some swimming.
We don't know how to swim very well, though.
No, we're terrible.
Oh, the door's closed on me.
Yes, doors do that.
No, some doors you have to pull to close them.
That one, you don't have to.
Thanks.
You like the nutcracker?
He's so cute.
I can't get out the door.
Is it locked?
I think I locked it. Whoops. It's okay. Oh, it's bright. It's so nice. It's so nice out. I really appreciate it. Where's the towels? Bring them on the boat with us. We could go on it with her.
Yeah, and my grandparents say I can ride it, but
Look how pretty it is.
It's so pretty.
it's so nice.
Should I put it?
Do you see people?
Where?
I don't know, but I hear people.
They're over there. Well, we are on a lake.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Kayla, gotta make sure her face doesn't get burned.
I have to spray my braid line or else I'm gonna get
Really?
burned. That's
Oh,
happened
right.
to
Yeah,
me
me
before.
too. Oh, I got it in my face.
I need to smell a little bit more of that.
Oh, I'm inhaling stuff. I'll get your braid line, Izzy.
You just do a quick spray down of everything. I feel like I'm gonna get burnt.
Okay.
Sunscreen spray
I
down.
keep getting it in my
Yes.
mouth.
And then ready side.
We're sunbathing out on a boat. Out on the lakes.
That's cold.
Turn this way. That went all in my face. I mean, I'm fine with my phone.
Look at the pollen.
I know. Are we going this way?
Yes. This is so fun. Gonna go canoeing.
Are we actually gonna go canoeing?
Not a row. Whatever it's called. What's that thing
What do you
called?
think they would be?
Uno?
That's a canoe one.
Yeah, aren't we going canoeing?
Yeah. So there's two canoe. This is a
Yeah, there's
paddleboard
usually
one, but
only
that's
two
fine.
canoe
We can
ones.
just use it, right?
Yeah, those will get us where we need to
Could
go.
we steal the kayak one? What's that?
Yeah, we can steal the
Is that a
kayak one.
paddleboard?
No, that's like a. You know the things when you go to the beach and you like.
Boogie board?
Yeah, those
Yeah.
things. Okay. This.
There's a lot.
I'll take that one. If that.
This one.
Or that might. Yeah, I can try it.
One of these is mine. Oh, I just felt that.
I'll take this one. Is this okay?
Yeah, this one's mine. So
This one good? This one is huge.
we can adjust it.
Yeah. So, you know, Cece and Izzy are grabbing the canoe. We're gonna go canoeing. I have some paddles.
Well, let's get off.
I don't know how we're gonna get it in the water, but they're pros at this.
Wait. Don't pull
So we're gonna go canoeing.
Just go in here.
We're gonna give you a little bit of a vlog while we're doing that. I think Izzy and I are gonna be the canoers and Cece's gonna be our videographer. Don't know if that's a word, but we're going with it. Yep. So yeah, we will see you on the canoe. I'm gonna slip on the top. That's literally me.
Do you want?
Okay, guys.
Hold on, I gotta grab Izzy. She's flowing.
Okay, you get yellow one.
Yeah. Can I sit on this?
No.
Yeah, I know.
Can I sit on this? Yeah, I know.
Ew, what is that?
It's called a spider web.
It looks like a nest.
I feel like we're gonna.
It's not.
Okay.
You guys good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't really know how to canoe.
I don't know. I feel like I should.
We're going against the current right now, guys. Okay, so when I'm on the left side, you're paddling on the right side. When you're on the left side, I'm paddling on the right side. We are leaning.
It's because I'm not sitting straight in the middle. I'm sorry.
Yes, look at us go.
Are we turning this way?
Let's go with the current. I mean, our arms are going to be tired coming back, but...
Okay, here we
Okay, well, where are we turning?
We're canoeing. We're doing a really good job steering.
No, I know that.
Oh, it's actually, we're moving pretty good.
Yeah, we're moving really fast, actually. Guys, that's a speed limit. I think we're going too fast.
20 miles an hour.
We're cruising.
We are cruising. Oh, I need to get into some signs.
I'm carrying this canoeing expedition.
Need to fear.
Hi, Izzy.
Hi. Apparently, I'm the steerer, but I had no clue.
Izzy can't steer either.
Yeah, I'm carrying this voyage.
Look at her.
I'm a pro canoer.
We're coming for you.
Look at the buoy.
We're not going to get to it because of the way the current is.
What? What? Izzy?
Look how pretty that is.
Are we going back?
Yeah, I think so. Guys, artists on
Photo shoot in a kayak time. This canoe. Yeah, this is a bit harder than it looks.
If we tip, this is on you guys. You're buying me a new phone.
Can I sit over there and paddle still?
Yeah, don't really care.
That's fun.
It's thundering and we're out on the lake. Izzy, you steer.
And she's driving us into the thunderstorm.
There's the thunderstorm. That's the way we're going. Oh, dear.
Okay. Guys, we have a little bit
Now
class.
we're gonna run into the.
Oh my god.
We're gonna run into this house. Oh my god. I'm working out so hard right now.
I really hope that we don't die because I can't contribute anything to the team right now. Like, I'm just here to vlog our death. There's nothing else we can do about it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, hello. I see it. I got it.
Oh, I was not doing when I did that.
Okay.
Did you hear the thunder?
I did, that's why I was coming out to rescue you.
It's starting to rain. Oh, okay, yeah, I'll dock us. I'll dock us. Just, can you get us a bit closer?
I'm trying.
Izzy, you gotta.
Like,
All paddle.
I'm gonna be up to my waist. Of course, I'm the one who gets in the water when it's thunder.
Shut up. Your butt has so much dirt on it. Do you see? Okay. Oh my god, you
Whoa.
guys cannot get out at the same time.
I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take my phone to safety.
Here, Michaela.
I'll take paddles. Phone. Good thing we got inside.
That was just so
That was so loud. Won't be getting back out.
Whoa. I don't know. We should check the weather forecast.
It's supposed to. It says it's supposed to thunder for.
That was
Yeah.
Just in time.
Oh my god.
Oh look.
It's
It's pouring. Look. It's all coming towards us at once.
That's
But then
good
it should
though.
be gone. My dad.
It's just on.
My dad said it's sunny up in Bangor, but there are storms. It must be patches that happen.
Like everywhere,
That looks
yeah.
so cool. I wish it wasn't storming. I want to swim in the rain.
Oh my, this is really raining.
I'll sit with you guys.
I think it's that one.
Yeah, that's the direction we're going to do.
I know.
Okay, wait.
My top's
diving.
gonna fall off.
That was so pretty! Cece, sprint.
Okay, you go.
Jump, put your
like,
hands in
up.
the air.
Wait, jump.
Yeah.
Jump
Up as high as you can with our hands in our air.
3, 2, 1.
We jumped in.
Is that? No, it's not right.
It was warm.
Oh, that's
now it's
not
cold.
mine.
It's because it's raining again. The last bit of sun. Yes, waiting out the storm. Well, we're not waiting it out. We're going. All right, toss it. Oh.
Got it.
240. Already beat her. Already won.
Already won.
Fudge.
We both. What? Okay, we're both going
That's
for it.
not it.